Hello everyone, good evening to all of you. Hopefully, all are fine. I'm also doing well by the mercy of Allah in this moment, and I would like to say something about in this village. And dear friends, now I'm going to market because my shop actually opening, so that's why I'm going to market and along with my nephew, and he also going to market, and we are going to market. Okay, so dear friends, this is our village road, and you can see this is our village. And so there are so many peoples this road, and up and down, and this is the main path in our local area. So as we can see, so very mesmerizing environment in our village environment. So as you can see in our behind side, and those are small canal, and besides the mustard field, and this is the evening time, and the sun almost setting now. And so now I am walking on the road, and this road actually narrow path, not any good quality road. It's the very simple road, and so very good scenery evening time. Dear friends, this is the public place. I can't make any video for public place. Like public place, I don't speak English, and just today I make video in public place, and so many people ask me why I learn speaking English, and so I answer you, yes, English is a global language, so that is why I speak English language, I learning language. So today actually different type of blog video I make because this is a public place. And dear friends, English is an international language, so that is why I learn speak English, and every single day I will practice English video. Okay, so evening time actually very environment very good. So today, thank you, bye bye.